I've already installed the PublishPress capabilities and permission plugins. I've also installed the WPVivid Backup Plugin. Now I want to create a new role. I want to create a copy, a duplicate of the administrator role. So I'm going to click on the copy button. I'm going to keep this name administrator copy and create the role. Now, if I go to the users, we can see that we have two users, Rahil with the administrator role and test user with the subscriber role. I want to edit this user and give him the administrator copy role. I'm updating him. I have already logged in with this user. I'm just going to go to the admin dashboard and I am logged in with the test user. And he has all the privileges of the like an admin. But to my surprise, there is no WPVivid Backup Plugin here. So let me go to the plugins, install plugins. And if I click on this settings button, it will show that you are not allowed to access this page. So WPVivid plugin is actually quite clever. It can understand the difference between the actual admin and the duplicate admin. So it's already working for this type of situation. But what about other plugins? Plugins like all-in-one and duplicator. Will it work there? I have already installed those two plugins. I'm just going to activate them. Just a second. Okay. Both plugins are activated. And as we can see, I'm logged in as the test user, but this user can see both all-in-one and duplicator. This all-in-one he can export or import. Also, using the duplicator he can import and export. And I have the issue solved as well. I have jumped back to the Rahil user who is the actual admin. I am going to go to the capabilities section. I'm going to edit this administrator copy role. I'm going to go to the admin tab and I'm going to uncheck these two options, the export and import options, and save the changes. So now if I go back to the test user and I refresh this page, we can see that the all-in-one section is gone. Also, if I click on the duplicator button, it will say that you do not have sufficient permission to access this page. If I want to access those pages using the URL, for example, I'm back at the Rahil user, the real admin. If I try to access these pages using the URL in the duplicate admin page, it will say that you're not allowed to access this page for the WPVivid. Also, for all-in-one, it will say the same thing. You are not allowed to access this page. Also, if I try to do the same with the duplicator, it will say the same thing. So, what we have to do is, I'm going to show it again. We have to go to the capabilities and go to the admin and remove these two options, uncheck these two options, and it should work perfectly fine.